Hi, this is Sean McVeigh with 425 Media. We are a internet marketing firm that focuses on helping authors market themselves and books on the internet. So you can check us out at 425media.com. Today, what I'm going to be talking about is how to set up a author page on Facebook. The reason why we care about author pages is because the author page has been set up by Facebook so that we as authors are able to post content to a page that's not our personal page that has our friends and family on it. This is more of a professional page that we can market ourselves and books. So what I'm going to do today is go through and show you how to create an author page from scratch. So the couple of assumptions: first of all, that you can that you're on the internet and that you currently have a Facebook account, your personal Facebook account. If you don't, I have another video that you can see that just shows you how to make a generic Facebook account. So now let's just get right into it. So what I've done so far is I have logged into Facebook as a personal. This is my personal profile page. This is the one that I would invite my friends and family to. I'm going to create an author page. So to do that, up on the top right hand corner there is a little down arrow, and when you click on that, this is that you have a create page option. Here's the different sorts of pages that we can create. For an author page, we're going to be going down to the author, band, or public figure page. Click on that, and under categories, we're going to select author. For our author name, let's go ahead and put our author name. If you are using a pen name that's not your own, it's still put whatever you want to be known as in here. Don't put your real name if you don't want to be known as your real name. So here's my the name for my page. I'll go ahead and get started here. And so the first question that they start asking us is, tell people about your page. So here's where we want to talk to people about what our page is going to be. So we're going to, just typically in here, we'll go through in a later video and show you exactly what you want to put into these different spots. This video is specifically just to set up the author page, and I'm going to go through on how to optimize your page so that you get a lot of search results, and how to make it more effective as a marketing tool. But for right now, all we're going to do is let's get some data in here. So in here to start with, we could put something just about us in our book. So I am a children's author. My author, and my book is called Charlie the Boy in the Forest. I live in Seattle, and Seattle, and love to write. Okay, my website, I'm just going to put in just some website here. If you don't have a website, you can put a lot of different things. If you have a Twitter page, Google Plus page, anything that you need, you can any different website that you might have, actually, you could stick it in there. If you don't have one, just leave it blank for now. But what I would suggest doing, and it's again in another video, but I would definitely suggest having your own author website as part of your overall marketing plan. And there's a million different reasons for that, but I'm not going to go into it here. This is just about how to set up a page. So we've gone through, we've added a little description, our website. They're asking if Mr. Chazzy Pants is a real famous person. I'm going to say yes here because in the real scenario it would be, and yes, I am authorized to post on behalf of that person. So I'm going to go ahead and save that info. Now what they're looking for, Facebook's looking for, is a profile picture. Do you have to do this to start with? No. But I would suggest just getting something up there to start with. And I'm loading it from my computer. If you have your website in there, you can import from your website. But I'd suggest having a professional headshot. As an author, it's one of the things that we definitely want to be able to do, so to be able to show. So I would suggest having a professional headshot done. They're fairly cheap these days. But again, that's another marketing video later. So I'm just going to add an image in here for the author. This should be a headshot. I'm going to hit next. Okay, and these next options is now Facebook's trying to configure your page for you. So you can see up here they want to add to your favorites. You can add pages to your favorites, but I'm gonna hold that off for another video as well, because the favorites are used in what we use them for our authors. The favorites are used for marketing purposes as well. So we're going to hold off on that. So I'm just going to skip this step for now. And here are, we're trying to, Facebook's definitely, they're out to make money. And this next option that they have is they're trying to get you to promote your page. We will do this in another video, not now. We are just setting up our page. So we can go ahead and skip. And now you can see that our page has been set up. So this is our author page. They're going to start guiding us through the process of making us aware of what's on this page. So this is what they're doing here. What they're saying here is they're asking us to like Mr. Chazzy Pants. So the reason why that is, it seems funny, but the reason why that is because, remember, Facebook thinks of us as humans first and then our pages second. So what they're saying right now is, you, Sean, who's creating this page, you as a human need to like this particular author page. And if you have the same name, it might get a little confusing, because you're thinking, okay, you want Sean to like Sean. Well, we're liking Sean as the professional here. So when we hit like, we get a like on our page. We can invite our friends and build an audience. Again, this is not something that I do right now because that's more on the marketing side of it. So I'm just going to hit next, and then we're done. So currently, right here, we have an author page, and you can see up here in the URL, it says facebook.com/pages/Mr. Chazzy Pants, right? So your author page right now is completely set up. There are a ton of tweaks and a ton of other things that we need to do, but this video is just on how to set up an author page, and we did it. So now, if I want to go back to my personal profile, I can click the Sean up here. Sean Thomas. This is my personal page where all my friends and family would be. If I want to go to my author page, you can go over here, and you're going to notice that Mr. Chazzy Pants, which should be the author page, is right here. And now we could use Facebook as Mr. Chazzy Pants, and here we are as an author. So now if I'm an author, I can go in here and I can start adding details, pictures, images of my book, whatever. So I would definitely suggest taking the tour. Keep in mind that Facebook is going to want to sell something to you and add a bunch of people into your social graph, they call it. So be cautious about this particular step, these steps in the tours, because like I said, they try to go out and grab some contacts out of your contact list and things like that. And in future videos, we show you how to deal with those. So that is how to set up an author page on Facebook. For more information, go to www.425media.com, and we have a ton of blog posts out there that can help you guys as well. Take care and see you next time.